Today I'm going to show you how to change your job notifications on Indeed. So right here from your job feed, go and click on this account icon, go into settings. Here you want to go and click on communication settings and then click on email and then job and company alert. Go ahead and click on this. Here is your job and company alerts. Now, if you are currently viewing subscriptions for this email address, then you are going to be seeing all your job alerts here. The reason for this is because you can have more than one account. So let's go back here and back into this quickly. So here you'll be able to set what you actually get alerts for. So this will be emails about new jobs matching your job searches as well as companies that you follow. Okay, and then additional email alerts will be application and account status, recommended jobs, career guidance, and Indeed feedback. And then you can go ahead and toggle each one of these on or off individually.